Nova. Why settle for multiple tools when one is enough to master your universe? Introducing Nova, the Spacemaster 4-in-1 multi-measurer. Measure up to 130 feet in the blink of an eye with Nova, capturing your space in real time. Its precision, accurate to about a 1/16 of an inch, ensures every project is built on a solid foundation. All this is possible thanks to the green laser. Minimal effort, maximum energy. With a single click, Nova projects a cross-line laser level, turning chaos into clean, measurable order. Adjust your origin point easily with the manual leveling function for seamless alignment. Nova bridges, laser and angle finder, taking precision beyond the line, removing uncertainty and delivering angle precision that keeps every structure true. On its final orbit, Nova offers the bullseye level. With an intuitive interface and clear operation, setting perfect parallels and level foundations becomes effortless. Nova unites 4 functions to master your universe, engineered to face any challenge with confidence. Nova, the Spacemaster 4-in-1 multi-measurer. Nova.